intelligence, memory, and perception. So they use this skill in the wild to find food and shelter. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruit salts, and minerals along the riverbanks. Okay, there you go. Let's give a round of applause for Greenway Macaw Bandit. Now guys, I have here an object which I'll hide under these 3 silver cups. Now where do you want me to put this object? On your left, right, or in the middle? Which side? Left, right, or middle? Sa to? Right, so dire. Dire nga side? Okay, let's put it right here. Now let's call in our psychic bird, Goldie. Now guys, if you think Goldie can find a hidden object, let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie. You can do it, Goldie. Okay, Goldie, find a hidden object for us. Where could it be? Goldie searching, scanning each cup. There you go, she found it. A round of applause for psychic bird, Goldie. So now that we've shown you our macaws, now it's time to introduce you our cockatoos. So there are 21 living species of cockatoos spread across the globe. Here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have 3 kinds of cockatoos. So we have Tweety, our sulfur-crested cockatoo, Nigel, our umbrella cockatoo, and Snow, our Moluccan cockatoo. So again guys, we'll get up close and personal with these lovely birds. This right here is Tweety, that is Nigel, that right there is Snow.
Where is the snow? No, no, no. No, no.
Okay, let's start. Now here with me is our sulfur-crested cockatoo Tweety. Now these birds prefer their habitat along the edges of subtropical rainforest. Now they can easily be distinguished with the other white cockatoos by their yellow crest. Okay, so this is their crest. Now their scientific name is Cakatua galerita. Up next, right there is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. Umbrella cockatoos are also called great white cockatoos. That is because of their woolly white crest that raises like an umbrella. Hindi sa manang crest ni Nigel if musaka na siya, or na siyang umbrella. Now Nigel's scientific name is Cakatua alba. If you were to compare Tweety to Nigel, we can clearly see that Tweety right here has a yellow crest. Meanwhile, Nigel above there has a pure white crest. Now lastly, these are Moluccan cockatoos. Moluccan cockatoos can be found in the Sorong archipelago of eastern Indonesia. And they are the largest among the white cockatoo species. Now they are also called salmon-crested cockatoos. That is because of their pinkish white-colored feathers. Now Tweety and Nigel, they can live up to 40 years old. Meanwhile, Snow right there can live up to 70 years old. Okay, so that is it for our 3 kinds of cockatoos here in Cebu Ocean Park. So again, we have our sulfur-crested cockatoo Tweety, our umbrella cockatoo Nigel, and our Moluccan cockatoo Snow.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
Now guys, who here loves mathematics? Everyone knows addition, right? Well, the next part of the show will leave most people baffled and amazed, even as trainers. But before I proceed, I'll be needing 2 numbers from you guys between 1 to 20. Any numbers please between 1 to 20. Bila? 18? How about from this side? 16? Okay, so our equation is 18 plus 16. We all know the answer, right? But we must not tell the answer yet. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve the equation. But before that, let me just shuffle the numbers first. there we go. Now our number 7 shuffle. Let's all meet our mathematical wizard, Snow. Okay, there we go. Now Snow, our equation is 18 plus 16. Let's see if Snow can answer this for us. Okay na? Alright, Snow, solve the equation for us. Ooh, there you go. Snow gets number 3. Is the first number correct? I'm really sure. Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay, Snow, complete your answer. Off to the second number. Okay, there you go. So 18 plus 16 is equals to 34. Let's give a round of applause for our mathematical wizard, Snow. Now the next birds that we'll show you, they're very different from all the other colorful parrots. They're called birds of prey, also known as raptors. The raptor came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or take by force. These birds are characterized by their excellent flying ability and keen vision. So around the globe, there are 446 kinds of raptors, scientifically known as Castor eagles. Now these birds can be found in Eastern Asia, Southeast Asia, Australia, and even here in the Philippines. In Australia, they're called sea eagles. Meanwhile, here in the Philippines, they're locally known as lawit or banog in the Visayas region. So as you can see, guys, both our trainers are wearing a glove that is called a falconry gauntlet. So it is used to protect their head from the sharp talons and beak.
Ay, magandang igual.
Okay, there you go. Let's give a round of applause for Gravity 5 Kingdom. Now in the world of birds of prey, females are usually larger than the males. That is because they're better positioned in nesting and rearing behavior. Now up next is our Philippine serpent eagle, Freddy. Now Philippine serpent eagle, scientifically known as Philornis colossus. Now these birds can easily be distinguished through the white spots on their body and yellow face. Now they are called serpent eagles because in the wild they prey on reptiles and snakes. Also guys, just to clarify, Philippine serpent eagles and Philippine eagles are two different birds, okay? So Freddy right there is a Philippine serpent eagle. Hindi siya Philippine eagle ha? So Philippine eagles are 3 times larger and heavier than Freddy.
It's on ya?
Okay, ready your cameras guys, as Freddy will now fly across. Okay, there you go. Let's give a round of applause for Philippine serpent eagle, Freddy. Now, just a fun fact, both Kingdom and Freddy are rescued birds, so they were donated by the DNR. They arrived here during the ECQ period last 2020. Okay, now last up for flying birds, let's all meet our homing pigeons. There you go, our homing pigeons. Now, homing pigeons has an innate homing ability, meaning they can go back to their nest to mate. They have this special sense called the magnetoreception, where they can detect the Earth's magnetic layers, perceive direction and altitude.
Yo, eh.
There you go. Now let's give a round of applause for raptors and our homing pigeons. Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We're not only trying to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also in the land and air as well. Now we follow the 3 R's. It's the reduce, reuse, reuse and recycle. Very good. Now installing our lovely bird once again, and he's going to show us how to do the proper waste disposal. Now it helps keeps our environment clean and fresh, saves the earth from pollution. Now sad to say, a lot of our animals are struggling their everyday lives due to pollution and environmental changes. Now always remember, only if we understand can we care. And only if we care can we help. And only if we help shall we all be saved. There you go. See, if blue can do it, then so can we. So guys, before you go, if you want some souvenir photos with our lovely birds, you can approach us here in front after the show, and we have our official photographer right there. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our bird show. Now let me introduce to you the animals and trainers who made the show possible. We have James above there as our DJ. We have Blue, our blue and gold macaw with Andre. We have Christian at the back of the house with our homing pigeons. And along with all staff here in Cebu Ocean Park, this is me again,